In this video, I'll show you the basics of using Moon Animator inside Roblox Studio. First, make sure you have downloaded and installed the Moon Animator plugin. Then open Roblox Studio. At the top, click the Plugins tab. Now, open the Character Inserter. This tool lets you add a rig, which is just a character model, into your scene. For example, you can choose the R15 dummy rig. Once the rig is in your scene, open Moon Animator from the Plugins tab. Since we already selected a rig, you'll see the option New Rig Animation. Click on that, give your animation a name, then select the rig from the list and click Create. The rig is now automatically added to your animation timeline. You don't have to add it manually. You can start animating right away. To create animation, you need to pose the rig. Click on a body part like the arm or leg and move or rotate it. When you do this, a keyframe is added. Move the timeline forward and change the pose again. For example, lift the arm higher or bend the knee. A new keyframe will be added. Now press the spacebar to play the animation and watch how the rig moves between the two poses. If you want to switch between moving and rotating parts, press the R key. You can press B to turn on onion skinning. This shows faded outlines of the rig's previous and next poses. It helps you see how the movement flows. To add more keyframes, you can press the plus or equals key on your keyboard. To zoom in or out on the timeline, scroll with your mouse wheel. To pan across the timeline, hold the middle mouse button and drag. You can make the motion smoother by adding easing styles. Press 7 to open the easing menu. Select a keyframe and choose an easing type like sine in out or quad out. These styles control how fast or slow the movement starts or ends. Now let's try animating an object. Insert a simple object like a sphere or block into your scene. Open Moon Animator, click Item, and choose Add Object. Pick the object you want to animate. Now you can animate its position, size, or color. For example, at the beginning of the timeline, keep the block small and green. Then go forward in time and make it bigger and change it to red. To change color or size over time, click the keyframe and adjust the values in the Properties window. You can also move the object to a new spot by changing its position at different points on the timeline. When your animation is ready and you want to see it without the UI, press Ctrl+H to hide everything except the scene. And that's it. Now you know how to use Moon Animator to create simple animations with characters, objects, and even the camera. Thanks for watching.